Harlow Russell, the owner of Awesome 3D Cards in Austin. We work with a lot of real estate agents and agencies. Here's another example. In this case, this is a realtor in a very competitive market in Florida. We laser cut the logo and taking real estate to another level. Inside, we customized a Florida-style luxury home, a big home, 5,000 square feet. We put the American flag, the logo as a flag, and all the information that you as a prospective buyer or seller would need with a QR code to get information and the owner's information plus slots for his sales team to use. Wow. Wouldn't you be impressed to get this kind of a card? It lets this realtor and agency stand out above the rest. That's what we did for this real estate agent and agency. What can we do for you this year?